Once upon a time in the land of Birthdayville, there lived a young girl named Lily. Today was Lily's birthday party, and she couldn't wait to celebrate with her friends and family. But little did she know something extraordinary was about to happen. Enter Lily's best friend, Emma. Lily, look at all these amazing decorations. Your birthday party is going to be so much fun. And Lily said, I know, right? I love how colorful and festive everything looks. But do you know why we decorate for birthdays? Emma said, Well, I think decorations make the party more exciting. They create a magical atmosphere and show that someone is special and loved on their big day. Lily responded, That's true, but there's more to it. Legend has it that the birthday decorations have secret powers. Let's investigate, shall we? Emma, how can balloons have powers, Lily? Lily, watch this. Lily releases one balloon. Instead of floating away to the ceiling, the balloon transforms into a rainbow-colored unicorn. Emma, wow, did the decoration just turn into a unicorn? Lily, yes, Emma. Birthday decorations bring happiness and make wishes come true. They have the power to turn any ordinary celebration into something extraordinary, just like this unicorn. Emma, that's incredible. I never knew birthday decorations were so special. Lily, and that's not all. See those streamers hanging on the wall? Emma, no way. Can I open it? Lily, of course. Birthday decorations bring surprises too. Inside that chest, you'll find all sorts of presents, just like the ones your loved ones bring to celebrate your special day. Emma, this is amazing, Lily. I can't wait to tell everyone how extraordinary birthday decorations truly are. Both friends share a big hug and continue exploring the magical wonders of birthday party decorations, filled with laughter and joy. And so, Lily and Emma lived happily ever after, cherishing every birthday celebration and the incredible powers that decorations hold. So remember, the next time you see colorful balloons and festive streamers, remember the magic they can bring to any birthday party. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share and like the video. Thank you.